Hello and welcome to the Recruiting DevOps Masterclass. Now we know that DevOps is becoming such a popular concept within IT recruitment today. Many of your clients are coming over to this way of working after years of using the project methodologies. So I want to give you a quick overview as to what the key constructs are within the DevOps environment. I'm going to take you through all of the fundamental concepts which you should know about and the tools and terminology that you should be familiar with when you're coming across DevOps roles and recruiting for these roles. Here's a quick overview of the contents of the course. And yes, with this one, you can go straight into the module that you want to quickly gen up on. So if you want to quickly remind yourself about a particular topic, they are pretty self-contained modules and lessons. But as always, it is best if you go through the modules in sequence, go through the entire masterclass in sequence first, because I'm going to assume that you have a certain knowledge before I explain other concepts further down the line. So firstly, I'm going to take you through what DevOps is and why the need for DevOps actually arose. In other words, what were the issues within IT that spurred on the need for the whole DevOps movement? We then go on to understand what does DevOps actually bring to an IT culture and an IT department, and how DevOps goes about achieving this. I'll then take you through the entire DevOps cycle and explain this new way of thinking. We'll get quite detailed after that in terms of the tools and technologies which you will see on DevOps job specs and how these tools are applied by someone like a DevOps engineer. So you've undoubtedly seen that role, and it's really worth making sure that we understand what the duties are and what their key skills are and the things you should look out for on their CVs. Another up-and-coming term which I did want to include in this masterclass is infrastructure as code. And so I'll go into this in a lot of detail within its own module. Things like microservices and containers will be explained in here, so it's very related to the whole DevOps movement. Finally, I want to make sure that you have some good interview questions when you're in front of a DevOps engineer. So this is a very topical masterclass today. I'm really excited to bring this to you, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's go.